We're out here camping, and we're going to be trying out this new truck bed tent. This is the box that it ships in. We're going to open it up for the first time and set it up on the truck. This is what it looks like coming out of the box. Looks like it's in a pouch with the instructions. Oh, that's neat. They're sewn on the side. All the poles here. And this must be the tie downs. So we'll just be reading the instructions here. It looks like there's plenty of room in the bag though for both the poles and the stakes, so it'll all go into one bag for storage. We're starting here at about 540. Two of the long poles are marked with blue and one of them is marked with red. The blues go into this X shape. And once the three poles are in, that only took a few minutes, it's ready to slide into the back of the truck. And you do want to make sure you get the correct size because it'll fit like a tailored glove. Very nice. Now we can still flip out the rain hood, but this works out pretty well. Really nice. Plenty of room in there. Tall, and it's going to withstand, we're at about 13-mile-an-hour gusts, no problem. I'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.